Hello, True Guy TV viewers. Today, we bring you a gripping story that has unfolded in Broward County. Stay tuned as we delve into the shocking details of the recent arrests of 17 Broward Sheriff's Office employees suspected of PPP loan fraud. Let's get started. In a surprising turn of events, Broward County Sheriff Gregory Toney, alongside federal law enforcement officials, held a news conference announcing the arrest of more than a dozen Sheriff's Office employees. The charges? Fraudulently applying for and receiving Paycheck Protection Program, PPP, loans. Toney said the PPP investigation was wide-ranging. All 5,500 BSO employees, including Toney himself, were looked at. The agency identified about 100 employees who took PPP loans and narrowed down the list further to those whose applications weren't legitimate. The following 17 employees, who work as either sworn law enforcement deputies or jailers, are slated to face federal charges. Alexandra Acosta, 37. George Anthony III, 50. Katrina Brown, 46. Rory Brown, 42. Cassandra Tamisha Davis, 37. Alan Dorville, 33. Richie Noah
Alongside of the law,
25.
police say they committed fraud
Keith
to
Malone
receive
Dunkley,
COVID-19
46.
pandemic relief funds.
Alexis
CBS
Monique
News Miami's
Green,
Ted Scouten joins us now
47.
with more on this years-long investigation.
46.
With BSO for 27 years.
17 BSO
41.
employees, some on the
NC
job for
Moranci,
decades,
33.
appear in federal court
Derek Nesbitt,
charged with schemes
46.
to defraud the Payroll Protection
Jean-Pierre
Program, or
Toussaint,
PPP.
35.
That's a forgivable loan
Marcus
to
Errol
keep
Powell,
small businesses
37.
afloat during COVID.
Stephanie Diane Smith, 53.
No one
Carolyn
charged wanted to
Denise
talk
Wade,
about the
48.
allegations, but the
All
U.S.
are being
Attorney's Office
charged
had plenty to
separately
say.
with
They
PPP
are
wire
leading
fraud,
the
except for
investigation.
Dunkley,
The charging
who is being
documents
charged
allege
with
that these
conspiracy to
17
commit wire
defendants
fraud.
collectively
The 17
receive
charged collectively
approximately
took just under
$500,000
$500,000
through
from the
those
federal
offenses.
government.
To
U.S.
my
Attorney
people in
for the
this
Southern
organization,
District of Florida, Markenzie LaPointe,
We have
said.
worked too hard
Some
to
covered their
allow
faces as
us
they
to become
left federal
sloppy
court in Fort
and to
Lauderdale
have one or
Thursday.
two individuals to
LaPointe
tarnish
said
our
there was no
reputation.
conspiratorial
Sheriff Gregory
component among the
Toney had
17
BSO begin
charged.
the
We
investigation
have not
back
been
in
able to find the
2021,
coordination,
then
he
turned
said.
it over to the feds.
Toney,
He's
who called the
disturbed that more than a
allegations very
dozen of his sworn
disappointing,
deputies
said all of the
stand
charged employees
accused.
are in the
But
process
I'm not
of
going to
being fired.
sugarcoat or dance around
We
this. At
still
the
have
end
to
of the
follow
day, they will
proper
be gone.
protocols, and since
If they're
these are
being criminally
protected
charged,
members
there's
with
no place
union
for
rights
this in
and
this
other different
organization.
statutory
Attorney Brian
obligations
Silber
from the
represents three of the
investigation practices
deputies.
that we have
This is
to
a very
follow. But I'm
unfortunate
not going to sugarcoat or
situation.
dance around this.
I will
At the
tell
end
you
of the
that
day,
everybody
they will be
is
gone,
innocent
Toney said.
until proven guilty
The
in this
sheriff
country.
added, if they're being
Everybody's
criminally
entitled to
charged,
due
there's no
process.
place
The
for
union
this in
says
this
those
organization,
officers
and their
deserve due
process
process and
components will
goes
be
on to say
executed, and we will
that
go
most
through
of the
that process.
5,500
But
employees
this
who
one
work
here
here
is a
at
no-brainer.
BSO are very
How can
dedicated
we have
employees
anyone wearing a
who work
badge
hard
that
to
is
keep the
stealing from
public
the
safe.
American people?
As for the investigation,
Toney
it's
said
still
some of those
ongoing.
charged were
It's
good
unclear at this
officers.
point if more
But you are
charges could
only
be
as good
filed.
as the last act
At
and
BSO
conduct
headquarters,
that you
Ted
execute,
Scouten,
he noted.
CBS News Miami.
LaPointe said the investigation remains ongoing. Officials told Local 10 News that more indictments could come. Brian Silber, an attorney representing some of the BSO employees, said he couldn't comment on the nature of the case. Bonds were set, they are being released, Silber said. Nobody, as far as I know, is being detained, and we will take it from there. We will be back in court. The head of the union representing BSO law enforcement deputies issued a statement to Local 10 News about the charges. The International Union of Police Associations, IUPA, Local 6020 is aware of the investigation surrounding multiple employees. Currently, we are not privy to all of the investigative facts. Regardless, employees and all citizens are entitled to and shall receive due process through the court system. The Broward Sheriff's Office, BSO, is a large agency and contains approximately 5,500 employees. Many of these approximately 5,500 employees risk their lives daily, and some unfortunately pay the ultimate sacrifice with the loss of their own lives in their effort protecting the community. The men and women all around BSO work tirelessly to keep the citizens of Broward County safe and are proud to come to work daily to protect and serve. Do you guys feel that justice was served, since only 0.31% of the 5,500 employees were criminally charged for their involvement? With that, True Guy TV is signing out. Please subscribe, comment, and share this story.